Right, let's make a start on the verse, and it's pretty simple. It's the same three chords, D, A and G, and you could just play it, strum it with down strums, basic quick down strums like this. It was only last June when her old man ran away. D, A, G, and the whole verse is those three chords. But of course, to spice it up a bit, you'll see what I do, and I go the D, A, and G. But I'm not playing that third fret on the skinny E string until see what I'm doing there? I'm doing effectively the two bass strings on the G first, and then I'm doing the full G, and I'm picking the three skinny strings, going to the second fret, and then open. So it sounds like this at full speed. Only last June when her old and of course the other part of the verse that I'm doing is this what I call arpeggio sweeping, where you're brushing all of the strings. For you it'll be down if you're a right-handed guitarist, but for me I'm brushing them up. And the arpeggio sweeping sounds like this. Now it doesn't quite matter which string you hit first, as long as it's one of the bass strings, alright? I'm hitting the D string, and then I'm brushing up, down, up. Then I change to the A, then to the G, then I do that little E, skinny E string run. So arpeggio sweeping is a good little technique. You can play it on many songs, you know. It's just this song is a good opportunity to practice it. Right, let's move into the chorus, which is my favourite part of the song. It's bar chords, it's quick down strums, and it's got that little bit of palm muting where I'm using my strumming hand to sort of muffle and block the strings as I down strum. The chords, it starts on the G and do a bar G, because you get that sort of muffling and muting sound. You get more control with a bar G, alright? That's the sound you want. To a G minor, to an F sharp minor, to an E. Back to the G minor, to an A, to your man. So just practice that slowly until you get the hang of it, but you can see I'm just doing quick sharp down strums and those chord transitions. I may be qualified for a one night stand, I could never take the place of your man. Hey folks, thanks for watching. If you like this 5-minute guitar lesson format, be sure to check out the playlist below, and also this video here was one of my very first, and it still is my most popular one today. So make sure you check that one out, and I'll see you again next week. So bad, she told me with tears in her eyes, it was all she ever had, and now she wanted to die. He left her with a baby and another one on the way. Couldn't stop crying 'cause she knew he was gone to stay.